The all-new Ranger XP Kinetic offers uncompromised capability to help customers get more done and features the most horsepower and torque ever found in a utility side-by-side. Together, the unmatched horsepower and torque gives customers the power they need, when they need it, for the ability to effortlessly tow 1,134 kilograms and haul an industry-best 567 kilograms. Ranger XP Kinetic also features a class-leading 35.5 centimeters of ground clearance to confidently rise over obstacles, and is equipped with 74 centimeter, 8-ply Pro Armor X-Terrain tires for maximum traction and durability to crawl over rocks and ruts. And with 25.4 centimeters of suspension travel, XP Kinetic smooths out the bumps so customers can ride comfortably in challenging terrain, no matter where the job takes them. Unrivaled durability. Ranger XP Kinetic also delivers unrivaled durability so riders can maximize their uptime and improve productivity. The electric powertrain features fewer moving parts, meaning less maintenance and more uptime. Ranger XP Kinetic has been torture tested in extreme conditions and treacherous terrain and is backed by a 1-year factory-installed warranty, 3-year electric powertrain coverage, and 5-year battery coverage. What's more, the electric powertrain does not require oil changes, filter replacements, spark plugs or clutch maintenance. Ranger XP Kinetic is available as a 3-seat model and will feature a premium and ultimate trim. The premium trim contains a single 14.9 kWh lithium-ion battery that offers an estimated range of 45 miles, 70 kilometers. While the ultimate trims delivers 29.8 kWh of battery capacity and offers an estimated range of 80 miles, 130 kilometers. The ultimate trim also offers a 18-centimeter infotainment screen powered by Ride Command technology.